So I believe we have some definitions to put up. So we've now using row and column. I know I got index over there. So let's come up here and let's add row and a column. So now let's play our grid, our program, huh? And so it compiles. Good so far. That's half the battle. Now does it do what we want it to do? And let's see. Our grid is gorgeous. We have all the other stuff working. Let's come in here and modify. It didn't get it. We messed something up. Why is that messed up? So you're 0, 1, 2, right? 2 and 3. Isn't that what we did down here? Let's see. This says MyGrid event click, row, MyGrid get clicked row event, and U, and then index is row -1, and if column equals 2, then assign, well, let's go. And that's why you always keep this there. We'll come over here and project, let's open up our project folder. We have the help system over here. It's in includes, as I recollect. And let's bring it up and see if I've done something wrong. I thought I had all that in my head. But, you know, let's go ahead and expand that. And let's get it to where a human can read. And I don't get my little roll bar, do I? Okay, so procedures, those are things there. Rows, adds a new row. Cells, style, sets the style. So style of cell. Oh, maybe that's what we rather wanted to use. Style of cell, gadget, row, and column. What did I use? Minimize that. And assign style. How about if we say, oh, what did that paste in? Hold on, that was style of cell, wasn't it? Style. Okay, style of cell. And we have, what params did you want? Is this, oh wait, returns. Whoa, don't want that one, do we? So blocks, no, we're not messing with highlighting multiple blocks. So get changed row, changed column, changed text, event click. Okay. We don't need to do any of that. Set text, gadget, row, and text. Get text, gadget, row, and column. Let's see, columns. Okay. Set style editable. Hey, I like that one. No, that's changing the style. We're not changing the style. We're changing assign style, gadget row style name. That looks like what we're trying to do here, right? Okay. So, oh, I bet I can't use a control C. CHMs are old. So we'll say copy. Hold on. Let's see. And let's come up here and let's paste that in and say, okay, editable left, right? I think that's what we had original. ITABLE left, editable left, and your column and row. And I don't want to use column because he's clicking column 2, which is the modify button, and I want to change column 1, and our gadget is this guy. So now, we stick my MyGrid in front of that, and let's see, I think that's exactly what I had before, isn't it? I don't know, maybe I typoed something. Okay, so let's go give it a shot and see if that gets us there. It's always a plus when it compiles. It just doesn't mean a whole lot. How many times you compile a program and it works perfectly according to the compiler, but doesn't do anything you want it to do? Okay, modify still isn't working. Well, let's try delete. Ooh, delete worked. Wow, I guess we need to come in and say, hey, are you sure? He's just blowing them away right and left, didn't he? Okay, so I'm going to have to work offline, and I will be back with whatever this solution might entail, and we will go through it in detail. Okay, I'm back, and the answer was staring me right in the face, and I just completely forgot. We're changing the grid just fine. What we're not doing is redrawing the grid for us to see the change. So that's all we have to do is come in and tell the grid to redraw itself because we made changes to the grid. It's kind of like a duh. Anyhow, oh well. And we'll come down here and we will click modify. Now we can change and everything's fine. Okay, so that really concludes the video. You've seen how to replace a control. It's very simple. What I'm going to do is put this whole solution out on my website, and you guys can download it from there. There's a link at the top on the YouTube page for me, and click it, and that will get you to PAHLABS, PAHLABS, which is .com, and you can just download anything you like out there. There's no money involved. So that concludes this video. We walked you through creating columns. We can do just about anything now with a grid. And if anybody has their own projects that they're working on and have an issue, shoot me a call if you need some help or need an idea. Anyhow, more later. Bye.